If you're having trouble unlocking multiplayer in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. Test your connection by trying to access other online services or games. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your platform and install any available patches or updates. Step 4. Check account status. Confirm that your account is in good standing and not banned or restricted. Check your email for any notifications from the game developers regarding your account status. Step 5. Restart and reconnect. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Restart your game in console or PC and then try to connect to multiplayer again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issues preventing you from accessing multiplayer in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.